Curious about the most powerful and influential technology of our time? It's none other than artificial intelligence. However, it's not without its debates and controversies. Today, we'll explore what Bill Gates had to say about AI in his letter and what it means for us and the world. So let's dive in and uncover the latest trends and developments in AI. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and the Gates Foundation, is one of the most prominent and respected voices in the field of AI. He has been involved in AI research and development for decades and has also been a vocal advocate and a critic for AI, depending on its applications and implications. Gates is also a prolific writer and speaker on AI, sharing his views and insights on various platforms and occasions. In his annual Gates Notes letter, published in December 2023, Gates focused on AI as the main theme and made some bold and provocative claims and predictions about how AI will shape the future, especially the next decade. He also discussed the benefits, challenges, and risks of AI and how we can ensure that AI is used for good and not evil. What did Gates say about AI in his letter? The text discusses the various claims and predictions made by Bill Gates about the impact of artificial intelligence on different domains and industries. Gates believes that AI will be the biggest productivity booster tool of this generation and will have a profound impact on innovation in the next decade. He also believes that AI will create new and better solutions for the world's most pressing problems in different domains like health, education, agriculture, energy, and entertainment. However, Gates also acknowledged that AI will pose significant challenges and risks, like displacing workers, increasing inequality, undermining privacy, and threatening security. Therefore, he emphasized the need for careful and responsible development and use of AI, along with collaboration and communication among all stakeholders and actors. Gates also shared some of his personal experiences and stories related to AI, like how he used AI tools to bond with his granddaughter, create personalized stories and songs, and generate realistic images and videos of her. He also talks about how he used AI for his work, hobbies, and interests, such as summarizing and analyzing large amounts of data and information, generating and evaluating new ideas and proposals, creating parody song lyrics and jokes, and playing chess and bridge with AI opponents and partners. In addition, Gates provides some advice and recommendations on how to make the best use of AI, like improving our AI skills and literacy, choosing using the right AI tools and platforms, and being aware and cautious of the potential pitfalls and dangers of AI. How accurate and realistic are Gates' claims and predictions? Gates' claims and predictions are based on his extensive knowledge and experience in AI, as well as his observations and analysis of the current and emerging trends and developments in AI. However, they are also influenced by his personal opinions and preferences, as well as his hopes and fears for the future. Therefore, they are not necessarily accurate or realistic, and they may be subject to change or revision as new information and evidence becomes available. To evaluate the accuracy of Gates' claims, it is essential to consider various sources and evidences that either support or challenge his views. According to a report by McKinsey, AI has the potential to add up to $13 trillion to the global economy by 2030 and increase the global GDP growth by 1.2 percentage points per year. However, this report also highlights the potential disruption and displacement for workers, industries, and regions that AI could create. It also cautions that the benefits and costs of AI might not be evenly distributed across the world. Another report by PwC suggests that AI could have a positive impact in various domains and industries such as health, education, agriculture, energy, and entertainment. It could also create new and better solutions and opportunities for the world's most pressing problems. However, this report also warns that AI could pose significant challenges and risks such as displacing workers, increasing inequality, undermining privacy, and threatening security. It suggests that AI requires careful and responsible development and use, as well as collaboration and communication among all stakeholders and actors. A report by PEW Research Center suggests that AI will have a personal and emotional impact on us, as it will change how we work, learn, communicate, and entertain ourselves. It will also challenge our sense of identity, purpose, and morality. However, this report also highlights a wide range of opinions and perspectives on AI, but depending on people's age, education, income, and culture. It shows that people having varying levels of awareness, understanding, and acceptance of AI. What are the current and future applications and implications of AI? AI has been revolutionizing various domains and industries such as health, education, agriculture, energy, and entertainment. It has been creating new and better solutions and opportunities for some of the world's most pressing problems. The current and future application and implications of AI are profound and far-reaching. In the field of health, AI can help with the diagnosis, treatment, prevention, and research of various diseases and conditions, such as cancer, diabetes, Alzheimer's, and COVID-19. By analyzing massive amounts of medical data, AI can identify patterns and relationships that might not be apparent to human doctors, leading to more accurate and personalized treatments. AI can also help with healthcare delivery, management, and access, such as telemedicine, digital health, and personalized medicine. With the help of AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants, patients can receive real-time medical advice and support, reducing the burden on healthcare professionals. In the field of education, AI can help with learning, teaching, assessment, and research of various subjects and skills such as math, science, language, and coding. AI-powered educational tools can personalize learning experiences, adapt to individual student needs, and provide feedback and recommendations to students and teachers. This can lead to better outcomes and increased student engagement. AI can also help with education delivery, management, and access, such as online education, adaptive learning, and lifelong learning. With the help of AI-powered chatbots and tutors, students can receive immediate feedback and support even outside traditional classroom settings. In the field of agriculture, AI can help with the production, processing, distribution, and consumption of various crops and foods such as rice, wheat, corn, and maize. AI-powered sensors and drones can monitor soil moisture, plant health, and pests, allowing farmers to optimize crop yield and quality. AI can also help with agriculture management, optimization, and sustainability, such as precision farming, smart irrigation, and crop monitoring. With the help of AI, farmers can make data-driven decisions that reduce waste and environmental impact. In the field of energy, AI can also help with generation, transmission, distribution, and consumption of various forms of energy such as solar, wind, hydro, and nuclear. AI-powered sensors and algorithms can optimize energy production and consumption, reducing costs and environmental impact. AI can also help with energy management, optimization, and sustainability, such as smart grids, energy storage, and demand response. With the help of AI, energy providers can manage energy demand and supply in real time, leading to more efficient and reliable energy systems. In the field of entertainment, AI can help with the creation, production, distribution, and consumption of various forms of entertainment, such as music, movies, games, and sports. AI-powered content recommendation systems can personalize entertainment experiences to individualized user preferences. AI can also help with entertainment personalization, interaction, and immersion, such as chatbots and virtual reality. With the help of AI, entertainment providers can create more engaging and immersive experiences for their audiences. AI is one of the most powerful and influential technologies of our time, and it will have a profound impact on the world in the next decade. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft and the Gates Foundation, has shared his insights and predictions on how AI will shape the future, especially in the annual Gates Notes letter. He also discusses the benefits, challenges, and risks of AI and how we can ensure that AI is used for good and not evil. AI has already been applied and used in various domains and industries such as health, education, agriculture, energy, and entertainment. And this has already created new and better solutions and opportunities for the world's most pressing problems. However, AI also poses significant challenges and risks, such as displacing workers, increasing inequality, undermining privacy, and threatening security, and it requires careful and responsible development and use, collaboration and communication among all stakeholders and actors. AI will also have a personal and emotional impact on us, as it will change how we work, learn, communicate, and entertain ourselves, and it will also challenge our sense of identity, purpose, and morality. Therefore, we need to be aware and cautious of the potential pitfalls and dangers of AI, and we need to learn and improve our AI skills and literacy. And we will need to choose and use the right AI tools and platforms. In conclusion, AI is already transforming various domains and industries, and its potential is enormous. And that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed watching it and learning something new. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our future videos. We have more amazing videos coming up, so stay tuned.